Every year, Denver's Office of Emergency Management tests its outdoor siren system. It's a system meant to let anyone outside know that they must seek shelter immediately.
And we found out there are now plans to use those sirens more often. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta looking into the new effort to keep you safer.
For 3 full minutes, warning sirens could be heard throughout Denver Wednesday. The live test happens every year, but this time around, staff at Denver's Office of Emergency Management was watching closer than ever.
We've been trying to expand the use of the sirens just to make sure we are providing every possible warning tool to the public when there is an actual hazard.
The loud, spinning 86 sirens in Denver, 11 of which are at DIA, have been used mainly for tornado warnings.
We could use the sirens for multiple things.
This year, David Powell, the deputy director for Denver OEM, says you may hear these sirens 1 or 2 more times a year if and when there's a destructive storm.
If there's a thunderstorm that has very large hail or very high winds, that could be really that threat to life. Not every severe thunderstorm, just the most impactful ones, the sirens will sound.
At the helm of the big decision of when to push the button for the sirens are those like Courtney Burnett.
Our job is to be doing 24/7 monitoring for emergencies. So any type of different natural hazard, tornado, thunderstorms, all the way to social unrest or terrorism, anything like that.
But that decision isn't made in a vacuum. It requires teamwork with other departments and especially with the National Weather Service.
They make that determination based on things like wind speed, size of the hailstones, and then we take that information and we're working with our siren software to then automatically activate the sirens after that.
The ultimate goal being getting anyone outside, indoors, safe from whatever emergency could be happening. In Denver, Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.